electrical engineers in new building conference room. ZDAS Technologies is interviewing for AI and machine learning engineers and electrical engineers in new building conference room. Thank you.
So, Assalamu alaikum. What's your name?
My name is Behram Baloch.
Why are you here?
We are here to promote Motive because we just rebranded. We were Keep Trekking. Now we are Motive, so we are here mainly for the branding purposes.
What is the motive of Motive?
Motive is basically an AI-driven company. We tend to our mission is to tend to optimize all the physical processes. For example, supply chain and so on, driver safety, warehouse safety, and so on.
What is the background?
Background of
Motive, like how you work and how you recruit.
Okay, so basically, Motive was Keep Track and it started in Lahore. It is a Pakistani startup. Now it is a currently leader in USA for AI dashcam solution. Basically, our main product is driver safety. So we have a camera in the cockpit which is looking at the roadside and the driver. We are noticing if driver is drowsy, if he's using phone, is he wearing seatbelt or not, and again if he's like tailgating or something. So that's kind of things we do. How we hire? You fill in the form, you fill in the CV. A recruiter will go through your CV. If we think you are relevant, he or she will call you, and your process will go on. We are around 6 to 7 interview processes, so we follow the same format that any other US company will follow.
So it's nice to meet you and thank you.
Going to next stall to check them out.
So here we are going to interview Tech Revolve, and here with me I have
Irfan al-Haq.
hello Irfan bhai, assalamu alaikum. So first of all, my question to you will be, what is Tech Revolve and what are your services and what is the reason behind this Tech Revolve?
Okay, Tech Revolve, basically, primarily we are an app development company focusing on mobile apps and games. We are currently working on a couple of products of our own that we're going to be launching sometime later this year, and then perhaps the next one early next year.
Okay, and when was it founded? When was Tech Revolve founded?
It's been about 5 years since it started. How it started? It basically started from the bedrooms of two guys. One of them is standing over here, Asim. He is the CTO and co-founder. The other one is Ameer. So it was like, these two guys started it, and then the team built on. And from two individuals, we have grown to almost 200 now, and having about 5 different offices in 4 different countries. So yeah, that's pretty much.
MashaAllah, Zabardast.
Walaikum Assalam.
So, what are your future plans basically? How you see Tech Revolve in future?
Future plans, of course. You see, we basically want to be one of the best, if not the best, in what we do, right? And we do not measure success in terms of the revenue that is generated, in terms of the headcount, but we would rather, what do you call that? Count on success where we can add value to other businesses, to other companies, and that is what really matters to us. As far as future plans are concerned, yes, we are expanding our service lines. We are, trying out new industries. So yeah.
So, if someone want to job in your company, so what are your employment process? How you?
It can be very quick. We have generally maximum of 2. In very rare cases, 3 interviews. The best way is you can, scan this QR code. You can, apply at any position that is there, or you can just send us an email on careers@techrevolve.com, and the HR team over here, they will be screening and, shortlisting the people. And if you're shortlisted, there are some positions where you have to go through a test. Otherwise, it's direct interview and then the final interview and then the onboarding.
Okay. So you basically are hiring programmers or?
We are hiring developers, project managers. When we talk about developers, we are talking about Android, iOS developers, backend developers, and then game developers. Then we are also hiring artists, designers, and of course business graduates for marketing and business management. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, welcome again, and we are at Sophie, and we will ask them what they are selling or what they are about.
So we're not actually selling anything here, but we're here to hire people. Mostly sales.
So what Sophie actually does?
Okay, so basically Sophie.ai is a startup and we're actually based out of Seattle, US. The idea of the product is to actually automate the whole testing process. Like if you go into any company right now, what they do is if they're developing mobile applications, we only support mobile applications. So if they're actually creating mobile applications, what they do to test them is they have around 15 to 20 or 50 different types of phones, right? And they test the mobile applications on all of them, or usually emulators as well. So what we offer on Sophie.ai is actual physical devices that are connected to our lab in US and are available on our portal. Right? So what we basically allow is you can record any test, you can go into your application, you can add any build or any versioning, right? And you can go and perform any kind of steps and we record them for you. And later on you can test them on any particular device or after any build.
So how does the AI help?
Okay, so at the moment we're not actually providing any AI related thing. We had this particular module where we had this robotic testing where Sophie would actually test your whole application on its own. You won't even have to record it. But at the moment we're not actually allowing the customers to use that.
Okay, and is it free or are you charging?
There's a 14-day free trial and otherwise there are custom plans. We're basically a B2B company, not exactly a B2C company.
And you meant to say that you test every device. So are you also testing on different operating system, like some have Android and others have?
So we offer Android, we have iOS devices as well, and we have Microsoft Surface boards as well.
You still support Microsoft Surface, like Lumia phones, they all phones.
Yeah. I mean, a company could target that particular audience. Like if you develop a mobile application in Sindh, they might be targeting the lower versions of Android. Because in interior Sindh, their target market is not people using iPhone. Right?
So how does the Sophie test their application? Like what are the requirements?
Our requirements are that you sign up on our portal and you upload your application, right? And you make a release for that because usually test teams make releases for this, right? And inside that you record automatic tests. The process is that you go onto our folder, we have a lab where you can actually use the mobile through your phone, laptop or your touchpad, whatever, right? And we record that test and we have this to it.
That's quite great to know. And thanks for your time.
Sure. Reach out to Sophie if you're looking to join a fast growing startup.
Thank you so much.
Seems like he is making very tough life decisions.
Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. I wanted to ask you this: how many vlogs have you done today?
13. Your one is 13.
Oh, I see. So, what is this setup about?
This is very nice. This is a career fair of Fast University. That's it.
And what is this company? Like, what does it
So
do?
basically, Innovative Network itself is a digital marketing. Itself is a group of companies, and we are dealing in different ventures. We are a chartered accountancy firm. We are a digital marketing agency. We are a retail brand, and our core business is IT, tech house or software house, you can say. We are working on different products. We are working on different projects. Usually, companies क्या होती हैं तो वो product based होती हैं तो वो project based होती हैं. We are both. We are working on project of the clients of US, and we are working on our own products, which is AI games, which is ERPs as well. So it's things like that.
Can you give an example of your products like AI games? Which game have you developed so far?
We have done multiple games. It's on the Play Store. You can check it out there. Full racer वाले games हैं, कुछ different जो है ना games हैं उधर.
So, what does one have to do to apply for this?
You have to apply on our careers ID. So yeah, it will be only 2 level rounds of interviews. First 3 levels round of interview. First will be phone screening. Second will be the technical test, and the final one will be with the HR. as to discuss the wages and stuff like that.
So, what are you trying to look in those who are applying for it? What qualities do you search for?
A good attitude for fresh grad. Yes.
Thank
Just
you.
like you and you.
And do you like fast?
A lot
Like in what sense?
in tech people.
So have you studied here?
No,
Then how can you say you like it?
I have a CS background. I've done my BScs from other university and I'm serving my services as an HR in the software house. So I like the tech people a lot. That's my interest.
Thank you for your time, man.
As you can see, PGPA matters a lot.
I am a blogger. असांखे ॾाढो मज़ो आयो डेवलपर्स डे ते. We enjoyed a lot. एॾो मज़ो आयो त छा ॿुधायां.
Ashad, did you मज़ो आयो?
ॾाढो मज़ो आयो. एॾो मज़ो आयो.
How was the event? Good. I want to review this stall. They are giving out toffees. So, Abdul Rehman,
Yes,
how was your experience for this event?
overall my experience here at Dev Day was quite marvelous. It was a very hot weather, so it was kind of sweaty. But overall, the experience was good. We experienced many opportunities and met many companies and how their processes in career service programs work. So overall, it was a good experience for me, and I got to know so many new fields and careers regarding networking, regarding my field, computer science, and I'm looking forward to also applying for them when I'm in a senior year, like third year or fourth year as well. So yes, that's it.
Hello. Hamza,
Yes.
how was your experience? Why are you sad, man?
No, I am not sad. A little bit sad, but I am very happy because my experience was quite good. We interviewed lots of different businessmen and new companies. We also learned new technologies like different apps and many other server things which will help me in my future. Because I was now freshman, so I could not apply. I wanted to, but I cannot. So I would like to.
You would like to what?
Apply. I would like to apply. हाँ. बस that's it यार. खत्म कर मेरी जान छोड़ यार.
Quite good, and as I compare to the previous event that I had been in past, I personally like the day a lot. It has better management, and it has just one defect that the people who are managing it are not they are not managing the event quite well. They are managing the sponsors, and they're managing the sponsors very well. But the fact that they just the management team is like quite less. They could have recruited many more persons, so that the sponsors and the staff and the students they have been very much captivated from the team and the day. Alongside, the day has been doing so well.
Zooming out.
How was your experience?
It was quite unique, but it was also quite tiring. There are a lot of people around here, and there was so much crowd. Also, the heat, man.
Dinesh, why did you come here? Be honest. Ooh, what is that?
It's an sticker motto. Actually, I come here for the lab day. It was quite good. A lot of people are around here, and there is so much heat. It's quite hot outside. Now, what are you doing?
It was a great experience. We got to meet and interview many different types of companies and their workers who were working for it. and I almost have a rough idea of what things I could have to apply for my future and where could I apply for and the requirement it would need, because our interview also included those things in it.
So,
this experience has been good. Not that much good, but it's good. It was worth it. I had fun with my friends, and we got we got to know about some companies. So we will know later where to apply. For example, I'm going in AI, so I will go for Sophie or Techribol, just like this. And the weather was like, it's too hot. It's like it's around 45 degrees Celsius. I don't know. It feels very hot. And
यार सब गलत ही हो रहा है यार, तो समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या बोलूं।
it's okay, you know, it's okay to give up in life, okay? No one wants you.